With Apple and Samsung dominating the smartphone market, it's no wonder people rarely hear of any other brand. However, I'm going to be talking about 3 unknown smartphone brands that may be just as good for a more affordable price. The first one is Xiaomi. Xiaomi's phones have a lot of unique and impressive features that set them apart from the rest of the brands. Among great camera quality and tons of personalization options, I believe its hypercharging ability and long battery life is its best feature. The most recent Xiaomi phones charge from 0% to 100% in 15 to 20 minutes. Its battery then lasts for 30 to 50 hours. The first phone to have this hypercharging is the Xiaomi 11T, released in September of 2021. So if you're looking to purchase a Xiaomi phone with this feature, look for the Xiaomi 11T and phones released after it. One problem that seems to be common in Xiaomi phones is that when using a GPS system, the device doesn't show the correct location. This, among a few other common problems, can be fixed easily though. Take a look at the article I've linked in the description if you are having problems with a Xiaomi phone. Most Xiaomi phones cost around $700, so its pricing competes with Samsung phones, but it's still cheaper than Apple. The next brand is Huawei. I know if I look at statistics for global smartphone sales this year, Huawei is going to be in the 29% labeled others, but I believe this is only because Huawei was banned from the US in 2020. If I look at statistics dating from 2020 and back, you can see that Huawei is on this graph because it hasn't been banned yet. Many people thought Huawei would die out because it was banned, but in fact, its smartphone quality and actually all of its products, including tablets, smartwatches, and laptops, have only gotten better since they switched companies that manufactured their phone parts, as previous manufacturers were based in the US. Huawei phones offer amazing camera quality, a great ergonomic feel, lots of color choices, and its price is great for its value. Most Huawei phones only cost around $170, which is a pretty good deal for what the phones offer. A downside though is that it can't use anything related to Google because of the ban, and therefore has its own isolated ecosystem called Harmony OS. The third and final brand is Oppo. To be honest, I've never heard of Oppo before doing research to make this video, and as I've been doing research, I feel like they're actually pretty good, and I'm kind of surprised as to why I've never heard of them. Oppo makes good, reliable smartphones that have good battery life, decent camera quality, and a nice overall performance. Regular Oppo smartphones cost around $250, which is good for the reliability, but they recently came out with a very interesting folding smartphone called the M3 Flip. The folding phone costs around $1,000, so it's a bit more than a Samsung Galaxy Z, but it does seem to be better than the Samsung Galaxy, as it features dual SIM card spots, 12 gigabytes of RAM, 4 cameras with better camera resolution, and a bigger battery. Unfortunately, it's not waterproof and it's not capable of wireless charging, both of which the Samsung features. I own a Motorola phone, but if you want me to try using a different phone brand for 100 days, comment which brand you want, subscribe, and I'll start saving up money. Thanks for watching.